Hey, what's up guys? We're out here urban fishing, Miami. We're going after peacock bass. I'm here with Julian from Bite the Bait Fishing. Check him out sometime. And let's see if we can get on some of these fish today, all right? What do you think? It's gonna be a good day?
I think it's gonna be a good day, man. I think it's just a matter of finding the fish. We're gonna look around, cruise,
right.
You know, hit up different points, and starting to heat up a little bit. So I definitely think we're gonna get on something.
All right.
It's just a matter of time.
Let's see what happens. All right, you guys.
Loving this trolling motor, man.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
It's gonna be clutch.
You know what? You could tell this lure could use a little bit more perfecting. You see how it blows out? When you give it a yank, it blows out. Ooh, that's what I thought.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you see how it's blowing out to one side. Oh my God, man, look at this. Let me catch you, let me catch you.
They're such spooky fish, man.
Got a little red devil chasing your lure.
There you go. Oh!
There it is. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. Come on. Come on. Yeah, check it out. They're going for it. They're going for it. Look at them. Not taking it.
So the Red Devils are definitely interested in the new Zagaia prototype lure. They actually just swam all the way up to the boat, so that could be a good sign.
Check that out, you guys. That's a what is this? Jewel cichlid right there.
Oh, that's a good one right there too.
It's a very very pretty fish.
Check that out, guys. We just got some bait and we got it on dog food. Check that out. I never needed to actually catch bait on dog food. That's a little trick my buddy here, Icy, told me about, and we got on some good ones right there. That's a candy right there.
Julian just hooked up right here. Nice. Oh, there's another one right behind it. There's another one right behind it.
In the boat. And I still got my cichlid back too.
Let's see what you got. Oh, that's a nice little one.
Yeah, nice
The
little
skunk is out the boat.
juvenile. Got him right on the top of the lip. So that's our first catch today, guys. We got the skunk off. We've been struggling, but kind of knew this time of year, these conditions, that the bite was going to be a little bit tough. We needed that live bait. This is a little juvenile peacock bass, but definitely a cute one. It's a good way to start. Hopefully we'll get some bigger ones going. Let's get this guy on his way.
you go. Check it out, you guys. That's the one I spotted behind the boat. Julian hooked up on him. Tight work. That's what you call teamwork.
Good job, man. Good spot. And that was the dead jewel.
That was a jewel dead, right? There's another one right here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Sweet. Second peacock so far on the day. Pretty awesome. I think now that we got the live bait, we might actually have a chance at getting on some numbers. Another little guy, but still a lot of fun. Let's get him back in the water.
Here we go, here we go. He freaked out. Oh man.
What, you getting the big one or?
Got it. Here we go.
Icing just hooked up, you guys. Looks like you got some nice fish on.
Oh, check this one out.
Nice little peacock bass.
Not bad.
Nice, buddy.
Beautiful little
First fish
fish.
on the day. Good work.
Woo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, he took that one. You can keep the hook for a souvenir, huh? All right, you guys, that ends the day. We caught 3 peacock bass. Wasn't bad. We did a little recon, and we've seen some places we've never seen before, and it was pretty fun. I'm here with Julian with Bite the Bait Fishing, and he hooked me up with some Zagaia hats and some lures. You guys should really check them out. They're really nice lures. You can see them right there. And well, I guess until next time, have a good one.
See you guys.